Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a question I get all the time. Why learn Church Slavonic and how should we learn it? Spoiler alert, it's not about memorizing grammar tables. The real goal of studying Church Slavonic isn't just academic, it's spiritual. It's about entering into the life of the church, understanding the prayers, the hymns, and the sacred space of the liturgy. In other words, it's a way of becoming part of the church, not just a spectator. That's why instead of drilling declension and conjugations like a regular language class, we focus on learning prayers, commandments, and hymns, things like Troparia for the feasts. Grammar, yes, we use it, but as a tool to understand the meaning more deeply, not as an end in itself. Now, here's something that surprises many people. For Russian Orthodox Christians, Church Slavonic is actually a native language, not in the way we speak every day, but in the way our culture, faith, and identity have been shaped for over 1,000 years. The Russian language itself, especially its literary form, grew out of Church Slavonic. Linguist Nikolai Trubetskoy even said that modern Russian is the only language that has preserved a direct, unbroken connection to Old Church Slavonic, the language created by Saints Cyril and Methodius. It's a living tradition that grew from the union of two forces, the rich bookish Church Slavonic texts and the poetic oral creativity of Russian people. So if you're learning Church Slavonic, remember, you're not just studying a dead language. You're stepping into a living spiritual and cultural heritage that shaped a civilization. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about Church Slavonic, Orthodox tradition, or learning the language from scratch, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to explore next.